The scientific study of the human brain has created a new understanding of early childhood. When a child is born, the brain is not yet fully developed. In fact, over 80% of the brain's development takes place outside the womb in the first years of life. For example, by a child's first birthday, the brain will have tripled in size compared to birth. In the past, we believed that intelligence and personality traits would automatically mature over time as a result of our genes. Today, we have evidence that they rather develop from impressions and experiences we gain from the environment, and that in the absence of positive and stimulating interactions with loving caregivers early in life, a child's brain cannot reach its full potential. At birth, a baby is unconscious, yet highly intelligent and perceptive. In a loving, responsive, and interesting environment, the baby's nervous system is naturally stimulated. In a sense, brain cells behave just like living plants. Under favorable conditions, they flourish, expand, and branch out. The richer a baby's world of experience with language, movement, music, touch, taste, or nature, the thicker will be the forest of connecting neurons in his brain. Researchers describe the baby as an external fetus because the human mind fully develops outside the womb in the first 3 years of life. At birth, the baby brings to the world a powerful mind potential, which can only be actualized through stimulating and loving experiences in the world. This external fetus needs our protection for the development of the mind. The young child is like a little genius, constantly absorbing and connecting information about the world with tremendous speed, plasticity, internal logic, and amazing detail awareness. The child's mind unfolds by use of his 5 senses. Whatever the child will see, hear, feel, touch, taste, or smell will shape and become part of his identity. In this way, a child's brain develops a fundamental network, much like a road map in the brain. Scientists call this arising network a mental hardware or hardwiring. This fundamental brain wiring becomes the foundation for our later social, emotional, and mental abilities. Scientists tell us that if a child experiences a lack of positive and stimulating interactions during the first years, this will lower his or her IQ scores and learning abilities later in life. Please join us for the next segment of this presentation to share some inspiring ideas how you can enrich your baby's emotional, physical, and mental development in the first years of life.